Trash talk!
Guys, what's up? I'm back with another video, and as you can see from the title, it is a shoe unboxing. Now, I'm really excited because I wanted these shoes for so long. But before we get there, I need you guys to go subscribe if you haven't already. Also, turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you guys know about it. Drop a comment, show some love, share this post, and now we can get into it. Now, I already took it out the box. It came in a huge box. I actually got these from Essence. I was waiting because I knew they were gonna go on sale, and they finally went on sale to where I felt like it was okay to purchase them. I also was watching the sizing, and it was the last one, so I went ahead and grabbed it, and it is the LANVIN curb shoe. Yes, this box is huge. It's actually really pretty. It's like almost like a Tiffany blue but muted. So we're just gonna dive right in. I wear a size 41, and again, these are from Essence. Black curb shoes. This box is heavy. Hold up. So let's open it up. As soon as we open it up, you see the LANVIN dust bag. Comes with two. Pretty cool. They feel really rich. I like dust bags. I like these a lot. And let's get into the shoe. So there was another color that I want. There's actually two other colors that I wanted, but like, you know what? These are on sale. I'm gonna go ahead and grab them, and this is the one that I got. It is the black one with the gum bottom and the multicolored shoelace. I like these. They look cool. The shoe is huge. It's fucking massive. It's not heavy. The detailing is insane. So as you can see here, there's the gum bottom. Each of these are like ridges. It's kind of like a suede velvet, and then the lace itself is a thick chunky lace with multicolors. It does come with a regular black lace behind it that you can tie up, but I don't think I'll be touching this one here because I'm pretty sure they're laced perfectly. This chunky lace is everything to me. It's really long, so I don't think I'm gonna wear it like that. I'll definitely tie them. The back is pretty cool. It has this ridge design, and underneath it says LANVIN. I'm actually really excited because I have some pants that I got on sale as well from Urban Outfitters, and I know they're gonna fit perfectly on top of this. Because there's so much going on with the laces, I probably wear like what I have right now, like a black tee for an outfit. I probably will find something with some colors in it just so that way I can wear this. I don't see myself buying LANVIN clothing. To me, I feel like it's a little, I don't know. I don't want to be too much LANVIN. Plus, I don't think they have a shirt that goes with these. But if they have like a plain LANVIN shirt and it's not like over $500, I'll probably pick one up. But I love this. This also has right here, it also has the LANVIN logo right here that says LANVIN Paris. It's actually kind of hidden when you put the laces up, but you'll see it. These are actually kind of hidden too, the little silver brackets that hold the lace, but you can kind of see them. Obviously, girls that get it, they get it. But yeah, I'm super excited to wear them. I'm gonna probably record a try on for you guys, and we can go from there. But this is the LANVIN curb sneaker. I got them from Essence. Super high quality. It kind of reminds me of those old skater shoes from DC. The big bulky skater shoe. I'm pretty sure that's probably where they may have got their inspiration from for this sneaker, because it is definitely inspired by something. But I also heard that they were like the new Isabel Marant, so I definitely can see that, inspired by multiple shoes. Because right here, to me right here, that looks like how an Air Force looks, and it has like this other design here, then you have the gum bottom. So it looks like a bunch of shoes put together. I didn't want this video to be too long. I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned. I may get another color, especially if Essence continues to have a good sale like they did. So yeah, that's my LANVIN. As always, guys, if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you guys know about it. I wanted to make this video short and sweet, straight to the point, so I hope you guys enjoy. And as always, until next time, I'm out.